Take your taste buds to another level by trying out this easy and simple pineapple stir-fry rice recipe, which is going to be totally amazing, flavorful, and just perfect to serve for your guests or for your family. The best part about this recipe is that it's vegan friendly. Also, you can add in a little bit of protein if you're up to it, maybe some chicken or beef, and the pineapple stir-fry rice is going to be delicious. To make this delicious, flavorful pineapple stir-fry rice recipe, you'll need a few ingredients which are going to be very basic, but the key ingredient is pineapple. So what you're going to do, you're going to get yourself some pineapple and let's make this delicious pineapple stir-fry rice recipe. You're going to start off by cutting your pineapple in half. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to keep one half aside. Once you've cut your pineapple in half, you're going to cut through the pineapple just like this. Be careful. And then you're going to scoop out the pulp. After removing the pulp from the pineapple, you'll have a hollow space that you can fill up your pineapple fried rice. So I'm going to keep this aside. And then we're going to start off making our stir-fry rice recipe. That is pineapple stir-fry rice recipe. So I've already prepped up my ingredients, which are vegetables. I have some corn over here and French beans, some red capsicum and green. I also have some onions and 3 cloves of garlic. For my rice, I have some leftover rice over here, which I'm going to be revamping and making our pineapple stir-fry recipe. So for the pineapple chunks, I'm going to be cutting into smaller pieces so that we can fry together with the rice. So you're going to place a pan over medium-high flame. Spread the oil in the pan and then you're going to add in your onions, garlic, saute until soft. Once the garlic has a golden brown color and the onions are soft, you're going to add in your veggies. So I'm going to start off with some corn and French beans, assorted peppers. Toss the veggies in the flavorful onions and garlic. And as the veggies are softening up, I'm going to cut my pineapple into half-inch sizes. So I'm going to pick the chunks, not the core, just the flesh. And then I'm going to cut into smaller pieces. This is a cup of pineapples. Check on my veggies and they're starting to soften up. So I'm going to be adding in some seasoning. That is 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, some black pepper and curry powder. Wow, this is smelling so good. So at this point, I'm going to add back my leftover rice into the pan. Toss the rice together with the veggies. If you notice any lumps in your leftover rice, use your spatula and break down so that the rice can fully heat up. Cook your rice for around 2 to 3 minutes as it's heating up. And then next you're going to add in your pineapple chunks. That is 1 cup of pineapples into the pan and add in 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice. After adding in your pineapple, you're going to cook your rice for another minute so that the rice can soak in all those lovely pineapple flavors and also the seasoning. Don't overcook your rice because it's already cooked and the veggies are already softened up. Once your pineapple stir-fry rice is ready, you're going to serve in your pineapple. And the rice is very delicious. I've already had a taste. You know, as a cook, it's a must to taste before serving. The recipe comes together in a matter of 15 to 20 minutes, including the prep time for your vegetables, making the recipe very easy and simple. So if you're up to trying out a new rice recipe, try out this pineapple stir-fry recipe and you'll be surprised how good the rice is. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy and amazing rice recipe.